Good morning, good morning, good morning.
It's Sonic.
It's Sonic.
It's Sonic Galaxy.
Yeah, Sonic Galaxy is going to brush his teeth. Go on. Go on, brush your teeth. Brush your teeth, Ida.
Okay.
Brush those teeth, brush those teeth. Brush those teeth. Open up wide. Come on. Don't swallow it. You brush your teeth, man. Brush them teeth. Brush them teeth. You see yourself there?
Mm-hmm.
What do you say?
More practice.
Yep. Everybody has to brush their teeth every day. Hang on. Rinse your mouth out. Stand up here. Hang on, mister. Here, give it to mummy. I'll help you. Okay. Bring your mouth forward. Mouth forward. Yes. Did you spit it out?
Yeah.
Lie. Okay. Good boy. That's it. Done. And what do you say to everyone? What do you say to everyone?
I brushed my teeth last morning.
Yep, this morning.
Yeah.
I brushed my teeth this morning.
Yeah.
Very good boy.
Yeah, mommy bought money. Mommy hurt me. Money.
You're telling lies,
What?
mister.
I saw you. Mommy, the itchy bites. I saw you. The itchy bites. The itchy bites, Mom.
Itchy bites?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The itchy bites. The itchy bites.
Talk to the people.
It's itchy
Tell them how you're doing.
The itchy.
Tell everyone how you're doing.
Are you playing my dodo?
Island, you can't say things like that on camera, boy.
The
Talk about Sonic and Roblox.
Sonic and Alvin. What? Sonic?
Talk.
Sonic and Alvin.
So what are you going to show us?
It's a bluey.
Yeah, I thought you were going to show us how you play your games.
This blue.
How intelligent you are with computers.
Yeah, can be this. I saw you.
You show me?
Yeah.
What are you going to show me?
Mickey Bluey.
Hmm?
Mickey.
Match. Bluey, let's play.
Bluey. Bluey's chewy.
Unlock everything.
Nilo key.
Yeah?
Yeah, Nilo key.
What do you learn with that, Island boy?
In games.
Hmm?
In games.
Oh well, so we're trialing out the new GoPro 11. Island, pardon you. Pardon you, cheeky
you.
boy. And watching Island play his game.
Bingo!
Yeah. Need keys. Open doors. Yeah.
Your breath smells nice now.
Yeah.
Yeah. Can I get a kiss?
Yeah.
Kiss now. I love you.
That's you.
You're the best.
Yeah, you best do.
I'm the best too.
Yeah.
Who am I?
You Amy Mom.
Amy. Amy what? From Sonic?
You so Sonic.
Interesting. I'm Amy from Sonic and Island is Sonic.
Yeah. Look, oh, delicious foods. Look.
book. Delicious foods.
Yeah. He's hungry.
How much you gonna feed it?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna done now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this area, what's this area called there? Ginalaba. This is where the rich live, literally. Some nice houses. How much you think rent costs here, babe?
About $700, $800 a week.
Wow.
It's like a mortgage, basically.
Yeah. We've said this before if you're new, but in Australia, you pay for rent here weekly. You know, in Jamaica, monthly. I don't know where.
No, you got a choice. You got a choice. Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah. If you get fortnightly payments, you pay fortnightly. If you get weekly, you can pay weekly.
I didn't know it was an option.
So they have options. Yeah, and I think they even have monthly as well.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Well, there you go. I don't know it all, you know. I just thought what we are.
Sorry, babe. Yeah.
I just thought what I know was, you know, was the answer. But yeah, it's good to know. Every day you learn. It's a rich area. What's it called? On the sign here, there's the Rosella Gardens. Yeah, pure nice house up there.
Yeah, run up there. You look half asleep, man. Island, wake up.
So here we are at Lismore Shopping Center. This is our main place where we come shopping, guys, because you know, casino don't have as much
Shopping center.
Yeah, so this is the best place we can come and get what we want.
No more, Papa. I'll get a trolley now. You're gonna need to get on the trolley. Yeah. You sure?
And we don't have a cinema anymore either because the cinema got flooded from the big flood in Lismore.
When did it happen? Like 2 years ago?
Yeah, about that. Time flies, eh?
Time flies. Yeah, you want a trolley? Come.
Come on, Mom.
You want? Oh, you want that? Gonna get in the trolley.
Mommy.
Come.
Alright, look more to get that.
Look more, it's dirty. Hang on.
You want the dirty?
Pumpkins.
Oh,
They're all
Halloween.
Halloween.
When is Halloween?
I don't know, is it the 31st of October?
I don't even know.
I don't even celebrate it, so.
Got all the Christmas stuff out already too.
Oh yeah, it's
Them
true.
start Christmas early, eh?
Are you? Oh wow, it's so quiet today for a Thursday. It's crazy quiet. It's good, we've got to ourselves.
Yeah. Tomorrow everybody come out.
I don't know. I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know. This is something in a yo.
What's normally the busiest day?
I don't know, babes. I have no idea.
Because I realize even on Saturday it's not as busy. Well, from what I see in casino.
Yeah. Do you need socks or anything, babes?
I'm good.
Where Lala is.
Look at
Oh my god. He would love you. He would love you.
But this is big. Where's the kids one?
For you. For Dad.
Oh my god. You want me to wear Sonic too? This like his favorite character right now, guys. Sonic.
Daddy. No, they're for big man. Like
Oh
big
my
man.
God.
I'll have some.
Do you? We'll have a look and see if they've got you.
Look at this. They even have it in shirts
Oh
too.
wow, you should buy
Can't believe
them.
this.
I'll have some too.
Okay, we'll go look at the kids' ones.
Okay.
Okay.
Island favorite cartoon character.
Oh, Island loves.
Mm-hmm.
Island loves. Oh, flies.
Mm-hmm.
Let's
Yeah, look nice.
You gonna get a pair?
Alright, I know, but that's a high shop, you know.
Just, yeah, me too. I shop
Yeah.
for now. Anyway, I think I came the wrong way. Let's back this way.
Say hi to the
In the seat it, you know. In the seat it. Island. Look. Island, look. Look what mommy's showing you.
Oh no, skeleton.
Skeleton.
Scary. Look, Island.
Moose.
Oh, that was so different breeds, wouldn't it?
I swear.
That's a goat.
Thanks.
Oh my god.
And then hold this. Hold this.
That's scary.
Hey guys, you like my makeover? Wonder how many people put their face through that. I just did that. I just did that, guys. Oh my gosh.
Poos.
Coffee. Thank you.
Mommy poos.
Yeah, you need a new one. Your one seems like it's hot.
Yeah, I need balloons.
Yeah.
Balloons.
Yeah, I need. Ah, poos.
There's a surfboard and all them thing there.
Mosquito burn, left one.
What that?
Mosquito burn?
How does that make sense?
It apparently repels you from insects, flies, mosquitoes, and sandflies.
I don't get that.
Never seen that before? Okay, that's new.
Yeah.
I've got always coming up with new things, eh?
For real.
I see Lala.
Yeah.
Turtles. Turtles. I want less turtles.
You want everything, boy. Here, boy shoes.
What did you say, Dave? You like Dave?
Good one, there's not. Oh, I don't know, Island. I think I'm more like sandals.
Some nice kids shoes here.
You got like the Spider-Man Crocs.
Hmm?
The Spider-Man Crocs.
Spider-Man Crocs. Yeah. Some nice things. $18. $15.
Island, do these fit you? Can we try them on?
Picky, you know.
The
I might not like it. So you pick theme character, them different.
They're Spider-Man.
Let's go play in Solly.
Yeah, now you gotta try it on.
Seal.
I don't think they have Sonic shoes.
Please.
You want Sonic shoes, guys?
It's not here, Bobo.
It's not here, maybe Big W.
That way.
That way? Okay, hang on.
Sonic.
Where?
That way.
This boy always spot him in characters.
Where's Sonic?
What it? I
Why?
want some.
You want to have some?
Big shirt.
That's huge for him. Let me see if they got your size. That man.
Dada, look up. Look. Look, Dada.
Hmm?
Take Gabby Gabby's.
Oh, you see everything.
It's a Gabby's
They
shirt.
don't have his bloody size.
It's
Can you
not
believe that?
Gabby's shirt.
They don't have his size, guys.
Yeah.
Island, they don't have your size.
I want to have Sonic shirt.
Okay, well, let's keep looking. Maybe we'll find another one somewhere. Look, another one. You like that one? Okay, we see your size first. Oh, they're cheap, $12. What size is that one?
Doesn't look like they get much smaller.
Yeah, they don't get much smaller. Like, what the heck? Look, another
Pokemon,
Sonic
Mom.
for $9.
That's so much Pokemon. What?
Baby, you're taller than me. Do they have like size 3 or something?
Doesn't look like.
They got Minecraft.
Doesn't look get much smaller.
Dancing. You happy?
Uh-huh.
Daddy. Maybe they do, but we're not looking in the right section. I'm just go this way. Where are the underwears for the boys then? Huh? Well, they have. Do you see Sonic? I can't.
No, sir.
Wow, really? They don't have Sonic underwear for boys his age? They have only Ninja Turtles.
Turtles.
Do you want Ninja Turtles?
Yo,
Or Minecraft?
we say yes, no, and later on him say no.
I want Sonic.
You want Sonic, but I can't see some. Oh, they have Pokemon.
Pokemon. Yeah.
Pikachu. Is it Pikachu?
Yeah.
But what size is it though? Size 4 to 6.
Cocomelon.
Well, which one do you want? Cocomelon.
Sonic.
They don't have Sonic.
Please.
Do you see Sonic here? Look, Sonic. Where?
I know. Mommy, I want my Sonic.
It's not even your birthday. Maybe for Santa Claus.
Okay.
Yeah. Maybe for Santa Claus.
Mommy,
Yeah, babe, Santa Claus.
Yeah.
I want Pepsi. Mommy.
Oh, yeah.
Pokemon.
Pokemon.
Pokemon, huh?
Like Pokemon or
Spider-Man.
No, I want Pokemon.
you like Pokemon?
Yeah.
Alright, here, Pokemon.
You good with that? You sure? Nice.
Alright, and boys trunks.
Go, 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 go.
They're all trucks and cars. $7.50, $10. Come on, Pokemon.
Okay, Pikachu.
Let's have a look. Do you still fit in baby clothes or what?
A button.
Oh,
You farted? Really, mister?
that is very interesting.
Tinky.
Thank you, Bobby.
Sorry.
Oh, feel that. It's like a real thick mat.
Nice. Does that mean you spread out at the beach too?
Yeah,
Like
seems
in the
like.
sun?
Do you want this? Do you want it or not? Oh, Mario Brothers. Yeah.
By the way, guys, this is a new GoPro we're filming on. GoPro Era 11
Okay, hang
Black.
on, Bobby. Yeah, it looks like here they've got the sizes for the boys. Yep. Looks like they have this, Bobby. Seems like Sonic. Seems like Sonic must be like a big boys,
Yeah.
True.
True, because it's like they don't make it in for smaller kids, really.
Look.
Bluey.
Bluey. You sure?
Yeah.
He's not sure.
Can we change your mind and then you say you want it now and then change your mind?
Louise. Paw Patrol. Oh, Mummy's looking for you, Bubble.
Bluey.
Listen. I'm looking for you. Some pajamas to sleep in.
Sleeping?
Yeah.
Why?
So when you go to sleep, you can sleep with Sonic.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's stop itching. Yes. You're hungry? Alright, let's get out of here then. Another Pokemon. They don't have Sonic. I'm actually really surprised.
Yeah.
They have it for like big boys.
Bluey, Mom.
What do you want, Bluey?
Yeah.
What, the shirt?
Yeah.
Do you?
Yeah, I want to see Bluey. Pokemon.
You like the Pokemon?
Yeah.
What do you like, Bluey?
Bluey.
I'm confused. Alright, that's it. We're going to get him that shirt he wants. That's it. Done.
Yeah.
Otherwise he's going to drive me mad. Where is it? Where's the Bluey shirt? Right here.
There.
We're going to get a size 4. Yeah?
For Bluey.
For you. Hmm? Yeah? You like it?
Fit, Mom.
He said it doesn't fit. That boy know your size already.
Alright, let's go. Oh, look guys, they've got nice pretty girls' dresses. That's for girls.
Just waiting to purchase these things. Let's pick up a few things, not much.
Not much.
Just the island.
And these hats.
Yeah.
Hang on, Bobby. Daddy Payne.
Yeah.
Oh, mister.
Sorry.
Me.
You good there, baby? What do you reckon, Island?
See good?
Can you see, man? Yeah? I like your hat. What a good choice, hey? What a brilliant choice.
Yes, that's a Pokemon.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you not get something. You might not get.
So they got Christmas stuff, Halloween stuff.
Yeah.
Hi. Yeah.
That's
Okay,
scary.
so guys, I just got to scan our receipt to make sure that we've checked out, paid for everything. And then, what else are we going to get?
Not sure.
You're not sure? Like these shorts and that, babe. They're like,
See a lot of the islanders wear these.
oh really? I feel a lot of the
Like-
Africans wear them too.
Yeah, like in Australia, meaning like.
Oh,
see
like
a
in
lot of
Australia,
them,
yeah.
Like wear these, like the Samoans and
Yeah, for sure, yeah.
like one for us, they wear a lot of.
Oh, do they? Yeah, they probably do shop in stuff like this.
Yeah, I see them wear shorts like
It's a nice colour on you, I think. Yeah, Raiders. And they got more stuff over there. Let's go look at the $20 rack. They got a $20 rack. Hi, good. Well, that's nice. That's a nice jumper for winter.
Good thanks. Just having
Hi.
a browse.
Just browsing.
No worries. concerned about. Like, if I'm getting a phone, an upgrade anyway, it has to be like camera quality or whatever.
Yeah, because the camera is pretty.
Yeah, and you know they're not the best.
You can get, do you want to get contract?
Hmm?
You're not sure. So this is a camera quality. I don't know if you can, yeah, can you lift it up? I'm not sure. So,
That's look quite good.
it does.
Look, does it tell you the quality that it shoots in though? That's
Look at the camera.
What kind of phone is this? Oh, Google Pixel.
It's Google Pixel,
So that's
but
a
that's
new
different.
difference.
It's Google.
Oh,
So if you're looking Samsung, oh, their iPhone's not here. These ones. Oh, this is the newest. Would be like the newest Samsung Galaxy
yeah, I've been seeing them. They're expensive.
S23. How much are they? So pay now, they're almost $2,000 outright. Pay later, so like you pay on contract,
Yeah.
$54 a month, and then like if you get it on contract, you pay like maybe like Island, stop rubbing your eye, like $100 or something.
Yeah.
So if you look at the camera, this is exactly like your one, pretty much. Okay.
You passed the car.
Oh gosh, yeah. You know it better than me. So that's the camera quality, and then it says here it's 10 megapixels. Yeah, and then you can also get a watch with it, with a watch.
You can take it off, is it?
I'm not. No, I don't think so. No, maybe it'll make a noise. Oh yeah, you can.
Sure,
Yeah.
let me see. It's quite good, I guess.
Right, ready? Take a photo. Just hold the GoPro.
Try zooming in. Oh, that was the barber shop I went to.
You went to a while ago, and they all touched your hair. They all touched Babe's hair because they all wanted to like
Yeah.
see how nice it felt or whatever.
And a couple of them were like, oh, I wish I had your hair.
Yeah, I wish I had your hair.
They would say it's like squishy.
Yeah.
But you know, Jamaican, well, black people and all don't like when anybody touch their hair. It's a very sensitive thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Island is getting fussy now, so
Yeah.
we're not too tarry our film when Island is getting like this.
Okay,
You wanna pee?
You wanna go toilet?
You sure?
Sure. Okay, we'll just relax. Alright, we're gonna go back this way because the car's not that way.
That way?
Mayor or anything?
Nah,
There's
we're
a
good.
men's shop there.
We're good.
We can always come and do a full shopping haul one day.
Yeah. They have some nice female bags here.
Yeah, I was looking at that.
Yeah. And suitcases. All the pink colors stand out there.
Yeah, it's like, come on, let's go, come on.
Oh, we cut through here?
Candy's in the car. Come on, Candy's in the car.
We're going, oh,
No,
forgot
down
that the escalator is there.
Escalator.
Alright. Come out for a quick drive out.
Yeah, it was nice.
Yeah.
Quiet, I love it when it's quiet like this.
Yeah.
You can actually vlog.
True.
Looking at their beautiful ears, they have here. Look, I
Come, Bobby.
One thing I love are like quirky earrings. Nice quirky earrings, but they're not the cheap earrings anyway.
Yeah.
They're like actual real stone gems.
Oh, okay.
Rose quartz and
Yeah.
amethyst. Come on, we're going down the escalator now.
This way, Bobby. There we are.
Yeah. in casino. Yeah.
Run, 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 run. Stop, stop. Go into the car, okay? Careful. Where are we, baby?
So we're still in Lismore. We're just gonna go get something to eat.
Yeah. Lismore, Lismore. What's this place? The Pickled Herd?
No. None of these places are renovated because of the floods, remember?
Yeah, the flood mashed up the place, so it's still recovering from that. The whole of this place that we walk in was underwater.
All the way to the roof.
All the way to the roof. Can you imagine that? This whole town. Oh, nice.
Oh my gosh, I want to pad here.
Are you serious? That's a pad? Babe, so this is a pad right here. Oh yeah, true. Where the right with this? This not look good for a restaurant. Let me know.
Hey guys, I got a rump steak. I got some nuggets and chippies, and Daddy got some salmon.
I got the dollies.
Yeah, it looks good. Hopefully it tastes nice. Your food.
Hi, hi,
Hi, hi, hi.